Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to make custom registration and login form in WordPress. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. Very fast we have to install a WordPress free plugin. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, click on add plugin. Just search here user registration. This is the plugin which we are going to use in this tutorial: user registration and membership, custom registration, form builder, custom login form, user profile, content restriction and membership plugin. So we have to install it. Just hit over here, install now, activate. Okay, after activating the plugin you will be redirected in this page. This is the plugin setup widget area. So you have to set up the plugin from here and you can see welcome to user registration and membership, get started. You have to click over here, get started. Okay, then this is the actually multi-step setup widget. So very fast you can see registration type. This is the selected or highlighted, so you have to select it from here. You can see currently it shows two types of form: normal registration and membership registration. In this tutorial we are going to make normal registration form. So just click and select very fast form, then from the right side bottom click next. Okay, and the default registration form ready to use, yes we want to it. Then the guest registration activate, disable login and registration from the WP login. Actually this is the WordPress default login registration. If you want then you can enable it, but I want to disable it. So install page, registration page, login page, my account page and lost password page. That means these 4 pages will be imported after installing and configuring the plugin. So I want to import these pages, so just select these pages and click on next. Then the user approval and login option, auto approval and manual login, yes I want to it. If you want then you can choose another one from here. So I want to it auto approval and manual login. Then the assign default user role, subscriber, yes I want to it. If you want then you can change it from here as well. Then the record password, actually I don't want to use it, that's why some user don't know how to give the strong password. Okay, so I want to deselect it. It's perfect. Then the restrict WordPress dashboard access, yes I want to it. That means the subscriber will not be able to visit the WordPress dashboard, and it's perfect. So again click on next. Success, you are all set. That means our setup is completed. Now click over here, visit dashboard. Okay, this is the plugin dashboard area. Now first check our 4 pages are imported or not. So go to the pages and click all pages. Yes, you can see login, lost password, my account and registration pages are imported. So if you want then you can currently use these pages, like registration page. If you open this page, okay, this is the registration form you can see. So if you want then you can use it. So we have to reset the permalink. So again go to the settings to permalink, post name and save changes. Now we can close it. Then again visit the registration page. Okay, this is the registration form. So if you want, then you can use it. Actually I want to make a custom registration form, so again you can check my account page form here. Just check it. This is the my account page. Okay, now we can close it. Now let's start how to make a registration form. So this is the plugin, is a registration membership, very fast dashboard and all form. Just click here, all form. Okay, you can see there shows two tabs, registration form and login form. Okay, so you can navigate it from registration form to login form or login form to registration form. So I want to make a custom registration form, so select this tab and you can see all registration form. This is the default registration form. So I want to make a custom registration form, so click over here, add new. Okay, it has lots of free build template. Some are free and some of them are pro, so I want to use only free template and I want to make a registration form from the very scratch. So click over here, get started, give name, just registration form. And to give like R will be capital letter and the continue. Okay, save from the keyboard, just Ctrl and S. Then now we can close it. Okay, this is the registration form and here are 4 fields: username, user email, user password and confirm password. Okay, so let's check how does it look, then we will modify it again. So you can see this is the shortcut, just copy it and go to the pages. And this is the default registration form and we don't want to use it, we want to use our custom registration form. So we can edit it, delete this shortcut and use our custom shortcut. Okay, so save it, then visit the page. Okay, you can see username, user email and user password, confirm password. We can open it with another browser, like go to the incognito window and check it. Yes, it's perfect. Again go to the editor and currently it shows username, user email, user password and confirm password. I want to add like first name and last name and country. Okay, so go to the form editor. Now we can close it. Okay, this is the form. So the left side you can see default user fields, lots of fields are here. First name, just drag and drop here. Okay, then the last name, it's the last name, just update form and refresh and check the form. Okay, you can see first name and last name field is showing here. So again go to the editor and I want to add another form like country name. You can see extra field. If you want, then you can choose from here, like this is the country. If you want, then you can give it. Okay, actually I don't want to give it, so just remove it. If you want, then you can give it from here. Okay, then the first name, if you want, then you can record it. Now you can see this field is optional. You can see this is the optional field. If you want, then you can record it. So again go to the editor and click on this field, then the field option, you can see very fast fields, then the fields option. So select field option, this tab, then the scroll down, then you can see record. If you want, then just enable it. Okay, then the last name, record, you can record from here. Then the hide level, if you want, then you can hide level. Actually I don't want to hide it. Then the label first name, you can change from here, first name, last name. Okay, and I want to add placeholder, so you can see this is the placeholder, and I can give here like last name. Okay, last name, you can see it shows. Again, update it, visit the registration page and refresh it. Yes, you can see the placeholder is showing. So in this way you can add placeholder text from here. Then the form settings, navigate to this area, then the general. Okay, you can see general, enable the form title and description if you want, then you can check it. You can see this is the register and the description. If you update it and check it from here, okay, you can see this is the title and description. So if you want, then you can enable it. Again, go to the editor and just scroll down, then you can see this is the redirect after registration. That's mean where you want to redirect the user after registration. If you click here, then you can see some pages external and no redirection. So I want to make like external, then give here my account page URL. Okay, then the update. Again, go to the registration form and refresh it. Okay, now let's check how does work. So give here submit it. Okay, you can see user registration successfully, and I redirect to the my account page. Now I can log in from here. So I can give username and password. Yes, you can see it works fine. So again, go to the editor and we can customize the login page as well. Already I have shown how to customize the registration form. Now I will show you how to customize the login form. So again, go to the all form and navigate to the login tab. This is the login form tab actually. Then the general. Okay, you can see form template. You can change from here default and rounded. If you select, you can see this is the rounded. So you can check and which you like, then you can use it from here. Okay, then the enable login title. You can enable this title and description from here. Okay, then the hide field label, you can do it. Okay, so now recaptcha actually is another functionality. I don't want to show it in this tutorial. Then the label, you can change label from here and the placeholder. Okay, so again update this form and okay, go to the page. This is the my account page or login. So sign out. Okay, you can see this is the login page. Now if you want, then you can use a different login and registration page. Okay, so let's check how can do it. So go to the dashboard and appearance to menus. Okay, this is the login and registration. Just select it and add to menu. Then you can see this is the login and registration. Okay, so if you want, then you can add my account page as well. This is the my account page and save menu. Okay, refresh the page. You can see login and registration is showing here, and this is the my account page. Okay, this is the login form and this is the registration form. Okay, and this is the my account page. So now I can remove my account from the main menu. So again go to the menu and remove it, save it, refresh the page. Okay, it works fine. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. If you face any problem, just let me in comment section. I am ready to help you. So thanks for watching the video.